Do you know, a lot of people are making over $1,000 online from simply listening to music. In this video, I am going to show you how you can do the exact thing they are doing, and earn even much than they are currently earning. Yes, listening to music tracks just like these ones right here. You can start making money, as you can see here, $5, $4, $10, $8, and even up to $25 US. If I keep scrolling down here, and you can see there are literally pages upon pages of people from all over the world that are using this method to make money online simply listening to music. So let me calculate how much money you can be making a day. If you listen to just one song, you can earn about $10. Listen to 10 songs, you will be paid about $100. If it's 20 songs, then you get paid $200. If you listen to 50 songs, you will get $500, and listening to all 100 songs, you will earn up to $1,000 and even much more. So make sure you have your smartphone or your laptop ready. And also remember, this method is absolutely free, which means you do not to invest any cash before you can start making money. So even if you are beginner and you have fresh account, don't worry yourself, because you are still going to make a lot of money here. All you are going to do is take time, watch this video from start to finish. Do not skip the video so that you won't miss any step. But before I go into this video in details, I would like to welcome you to Online Legit Cash. In this channel, I make videos on different means of making money, online ideas, tips and tricks. So, if you are coming across my video for the first time, please click the subscription button and the notification icon, so that you will be among the first people to be notified when next I upload new videos. The first step here is going to Google or any of your browser, search for a website called MixieKit.co. Click on this link, which will take you this awesome website. Just like it is boldly written here, this website gives you access to so many free assets for your next video project. But we are not here to create a video project, we are only interested in the music tracks here, which will in turn make a lot of money for us. So if we go down here, we will find all this music tracks that we are to use in making a lot of money for ourselves. This because in this website all these music tracks you find here are all free to use, which means you do not have to give any attribution when using any of the music tracks for any project. And it will surprise you to know that in this website there are a lot of this music tracks. But I'm going to show you some simple tricks that will help you make use of the best music tracks, and also earn the most money. So now take your cursor to the top side of this website where they have genre. Place your cursor on it, and it will show a drop-down button with different music genres in the website. The truth is you can make money with any of the music genre, but there is a trick I will reveal to you right now. And this trick will help you make more money than others. So what you will do is, in these categories of music genre, open R&B genre or hip-hop genre or acoustic genre. In any of these genres you are going to see different collections of free tracks you can download for free. For instance, let's go to hip-hop. These are all free tracks, so go to any track of your choice. Click the play button here to start listening to the song. You are not going to listening to the whole song, because we have over 100 songs we are going to do this to. So right now, take your cursor just below the play button to find the download button. Click on the download button, so that you will download the song into your laptop or smartphone. After the download is done, repeat the same thing with other tracks in different genre, but mostly on the three categories I told you before, which is acoustic, hip-hop, and R&B. In order to make much more money than others, I advise you download as many music tracks as you can into your laptop or smartphone, because in the next step, I will be revealing to you how a lot of music tracks you downloaded will make you more money. But before I jump into the second step of this video, I want you to smash the subscription button if you have not done so, and go to the comment section and write this affirmation: money is coming to me this year. So guys, let's continue to the second step, which is going to your browser to search for a website called upforever.org. This is the website that we are going to use to make all the money. In this website, people are paid for uploading files here. This is because a lot of people comes here searching for music tracks and other useful files to download. So each time a download is made from this site, then we get paid. Therefore, we are going to upload all these music tracks we downloaded from the previous website here, and then start making a lot of money daily. So now you see why you should download a lot song and upload them here. Yeah, they'll get a lot of music tracks and start uploading them here so that you will make more money when people download your songs. But before I show you how you can sign up and set up your payment method in this website, I would like to show you another secret, which will help you know the right audience to target, and then help you make double of the money others are making in this site. In this website there are 4-tier structure of payment, which will determine the amount of money you will make when people download your song. For instance, United States of America and Canada are in Tier 1. Australia is in Tier 2. UAE and Saudi Arabia are in Tier 3, while the rest of the world are in Tier 4. So let me explain to you how this will determine the amount of money you earn from this website. Now when people from Tier download your song, you will earn $7. When people from Tier 2 countries download your song, you will earn $4. While those in Tier 3 and 4 countries will earn you $3 each time they make download. So with these, I believe you now know the countries to target your audience from by checking for those music tracks that suit their taste of music, so that they will be the one to download more of your uploads. Apart from this, there are about 5 profit mode that you can benefit from in this website, such as pay-per-download, pay-per-referral, mixed website banner, and selling of files. But above all, one thing I love most about this website is that they have about 20 different payment options that you can choose from, depending on your preference, therefore providing you with the best electronic bank widely used, which makes it more easy for everyone to withdraw their earning. They have PayPal, Bitcoin, USDT, Western Union Cash Plus, Pioneer, and so many others. And also the minimum payout here is just $1, which means you can start today and make your cash out in the next few hours. So let me show you how to sign up now and start making your money. But before that, I want to ask you to this one thing for me. Can you please click the subscription button and drop your country name in the comments section? Let me know where you're watching from. So click the sign up button. The sign up process is very easy. It will take you less than a minute to complete. First, type your username, your passwords right here, and then put your email in this box. Then click this capture, and finally click the sign up button. By the way, if you prefer, there is other options for you to sign in. You can use your Facebook account, your Twitter account, or your Google account. Once your account is ready, then go here and click where it says, Welcome, select my account, and you will be taken to your dashboard. Click on the payment information button and finish setting up your preferred payment option by selecting your respective category from here. And after that, click on Save Now. Let us go here to the left side here and click on Upload Files on this page. We are going to actually start uploading the music files that we downloaded earlier onto this website. But before you start, always take note of these warnings here at the top here. First, you are not allowed to upload any material that will violate the terms of service or your account will risk being closed. Secondly, you should ensure that you have your ad blocker turned off, as this might as well interrupt with the upload process. We are going to start uploading the music file now by clicking this button here. And as soon as it is finished, do not forget to select public so that other people can access your music files. Another bonus tip here also is make sure that you fill in the name of the music track and the name of the artist also. Once you are done with that, then click on Start Uploading. Just wait a few seconds for the process to complete. The next thing you are going to do is to set a price for your music files so that every time someone downloads your music file, you will be paid at least $5. Repeat the process as many times as you can and get paid for those music tracks for a very long time, provided you set this up correctly, and that is all you have to do now if you want to earn. Thanks for watching. Please, if you derive any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell icon so that you won't be left out the next time I drop new videos.